In this video, we are going to solve some examples of logarithmic differentiation. In my previous video, already I have explained few examples based on logarithmic differentiation. You could find the link for that video is given in the description below. Now we will solve few more examples. And here I have some examples, that is, the first one is x to the power 1 by x, and second one is x power x to the power x, and the third one is x power x to the power x, and so on till infinity. So these problems we have to solve by using logarithmic differentiation. First example, differentiate x to the power 1 by x. So first we have to assume y equal to x power 1 by x. Now we have to take log on both sides, that is log y equal to log of x to the power 1 by x. So this can be written as log y equal to 1 by x into log x, because we are going to use the logarithmic property, that is log a power n equal to n log a. So that is, we have to take the power term to the front side, that is n log a. So here we are using the same property, so this will become 1 by x into log x. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Left hand side differentiation, 1 by y into dy by dx, that is log y 1 by y, and y differentiation is dy by dx. And here we have two different terms. First term is 1 by x and second term is log x. So assume first term as u and second term as v. U equal to 1 by x and v equal to log x. Okay. So first term as u and second term as v. So first term differentiation, that is du by dx equal to 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, and dv by dx differentiation is, that is log x differentiation 1 by x. So now substitute the values, that is u into dv by dx, that is we have to use the product rule. So that is d by dx of uv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So just substitute the values. So first term u, that is 1 by x into dv by dx, that is also 1 by x, plus v, that is log x into du by dx, that is minus 1 by x square. So this is dy by dx equal to, I am taking this y to the other side, so it will become y into, see in the first term we have 1 by x into 1 by x, that is 1 by x square, and here we have plus into minus, that is minus log x divided by x square. So this is dy by dx equal to, what is y, that is the given problem, so x power 1 by x into, here we have 1 by x square minus log x by x square, so we have the same denominator, so we have 1 minus log x divided by x square, because we are having the same denominator. So we can write it as 1 minus log x by x square. So this can be written as d by dx equal to x to the power 1 by x, and here we have divided by x square. So I am taking this term to outside, so that is divided by x square into 1 minus log x. Now we have to simplify this, that is dy by dx equal to, here we have x power 1 by x, I am taking this x square to the numerator, so it will become x power minus 2 into 1 minus log x. Then the final answer is dy by dx equal to, here we have the same base, and so we have to add the power terms. So what is the same base value, that is x. So the power term is 1 by x minus 2. We just club the power terms. So x to the power 1 by x minus 2 into 1 minus log x. Next example, differentiate x to the power x to the power x. So we have to assume y equal to x power x to the power x. So first we have to take log on both sides. So before that, this x is a base term and this x power x is a power term. Okay. So this x is a base value and we have the power value is x to the power x. So now taking log on both sides. So left hand side log y equal to, so we have log of x to the power x power x. Okay. So this can be written as log y equal to, so we have to write the power term the front side, so x power x log x. Okay, I am just taking the power value to the front side, that is x power x into log x. So before differentiating this, again we have to take log on both sides. Why? Because here we have x to the power x, that is the base and the power value, both are two different functions. So again we have to take log on both sides. So left hand side, log of, already we have log y, so log of log y equal to, this will become log of x power x log x. So I am just taking log to the whole term, that is x power x into log x. So this is log of log y equal to, here we have two different terms, first term is x power x and second term is log x. So this is of the form log u into v format. Okay, that is log u v equal to log u into log v. So similarly here log of x power x into log x. So this x power x as some u and this log x as v. Okay, so this can be written as log of u. What is u? That is x power x plus log of v. V term is log x. Just substituting this property here, that is log u plus log v. So log of x power x plus log of log x. So this is log of log y equal to, again this is log a power n formula, that is n log a. So x log x plus log of log x. Now we have to differentiating this with respect to x. So left hand side, that is log of log y. So first log differentiation. So what is log x differentiation? 1 by x. See here we have log of log y. So that is 1 by log y into, next we have to differentiate for the second log term, that is log y term. Okay. So first we have done log of log y, that is 1 by log y. Now we have to differentiate for the second term log y. So log y differentiation is 1 by y into y differentiation is dy by dx. Okay. Next move on to the right hand side. We have x into log x. So this is again u into v formula. So first assume u equal to x. So du by dx equal to differential of x is 1. So that is 1. And assume v equal to log x. So log x differentiation is 1 by x. So just substitute the values here. That is u into, that is product rule. What is u? X into dv by dx, that is 1 by x plus v into, that is log x into du by dx is 1. So this is only for the first term. X into log x differentiation is x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. Now we'll move on to the second term, log of log x plus, first we have to differentiate for the first log term. So log of log x. So differentiation is 1 divided by log x. Okay, this is for the first log term into, next move on to the log x, that is second term. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So log of log x differentiation is 1 by log x into 1 by x. So this can be written as, here we have 1 by y into 1 by log y. So this is 1 by y log y, just multiplying the terms into dy by dx equal to, here this x will get cancelled. So we have 1 plus log x plus, I am just multiplying this term, that is 1 by x into 1 by log x, that is 1 by x log x. So we want only dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, just taking this y log y to the other side. So y log y into 1 plus log x plus 1 by x log x. So this is the answer for the given problem. Next example, differentiate x to the power x to the power x and so on till infinity. So we have infinity number of x. So first we have to assume y equal to x power x to the power x and so on till infinity. Okay, so this can be written as, that is y equal to x power y, correct? Because we have the base x and the power values are x power x and so on till infinity. So this is again nothing but y, right? Because x power x to the power x and so on infinity. So that is again y. So in the place of x power x to the power x infinity, I just written it as y. This equation can also be written as y equal to x power y. Now taking log on both sides, log y equal to log of x power y. So this is log y equal to, so just write the power term first, that is y log x. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So first left hand side, log y differentiation 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, here we have y into log x. This is again by the product rule. So first u value as y and v, that is log x. So what is du by dx? That is dy by dx, because we are differentiating y with respect to x, so dy by dx, and this is dv by dx equal to log x differentiation 1 by x. So just substitute it. So u, that is y into dv by dx 1 by x plus v, that is log x into du by dx, that is dy by dx. So now we have to club the terms. Here the left hand side we have dy by dx and the right hand side also we have dy by dx. So just I am taking this term to the other side, so it will become 1 by y into dy by dx. So if you are taking this log x into dy by dx, so this will become minus log x into dy by dx, because here we have plus, right? So if you are taking to the left hand side, it will become minus, equal to, so we have y by x, that is y into 1 by x, that is y by x. So first we have to take dy by dx common. So in the first term we have 1 by y minus second term we have log x equal to y by x. So this is dy by dx into, multiply this y, so this will become 1 minus y into log x divided by y equal to y by x. So we want only dy by dx, so we have to take this term to the other side, so it will become, so if you take this to the other side, this 1 minus y log x, it will come to the denominator, and this y, the denominator term will go to the numerator. So that is y into y, already we have y, right, divided by x into 1 minus y log x, correct? Already we have y by x. So I am taking this 1 minus y log x by y. If you take it to the other side, it will become y by 1 minus y log x. Okay, that is dy by dx equal to, multiply y into y, that is y square divided by x into 1 minus y into log x. So this is the answer for that, x power x to the power x and so on till infinity. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button, and for further notification please press the bell icon. Thank you.